We are totally different, and it's not even close. Are you over $15,000 in debt? Are you serious about getting your debt settled super cheap in one-time lump sum payments and want to avoid getting ripped off by an overpriced debt settlement company? Great news for you. We do it all, fast, and fix your credit too. Other debt settlement companies typically put you on a 3 to 5 year repayment program, and your credit still sucks the entire time, all while charging you exorbitant fees. Call us, CreditCRB. Let us get you on the right financial track and resolve your debt. 855-291-7557. Get your free 15-minute debt consultation. You can send us your recent 3-in-1 Bureau credit report, or we can pull a soft pull credit report and email you a copy as well. And just for having your consultation, you're going to get our recent e-version of the credit book. Full meat and potatoes. Talks about your state laws and your federal laws regarding your credit report, regarding credit, and regarding debt. Everything from statute of limitations to things that you can do to boost your score, to identity theft and how to get a new social security number, to how to vacate public records, and so much more. Amazing value. Once you contact us, we gather which debts we're going to include. Then we contact your creditors and collectors once you give us the approval to move forward. And we tender and forward all offers to you 60% off or greater. And then you make the decision if you want to make that one-time lump sum payment or if you want to try for a better offer. There are always risks and benefits in both, but it's all relaxed, it's all safe, and it's all easy to move forward from that point forward and get closer to your financial goal. 855-291-7557. What are you waiting for? A few months from now, you're going to look back, you'll be super glad you got started. How serious are you about your credit and debt?